Welcome to our topic, which is very significant when it comes to research and data analysis. We want to test the relationship between two variables, X and Y. So to address this, we conduct what is called a correlation analysis. So correlation analysis measures the strength and the pattern of relationships, okay, between X and Y. So we use what we call linear regression, forecasting, or some causal modeling to ascertain that. So correlation analysis is very important in research. So we're going to start with understanding a few key terms. What is correlation? What is a variable? What is a negative correlation? What does it mean? What does it mean when we have a positive correlation? So correlation is a statistical measure that expresses the extent to which two variables move together. It indicates an increase or a decrease. So we're going to look at what a variable is. A variable is simply a measurable characteristic. It could be age, it could be height. Then if you have a positive correlation, it means that the two are moving together. A negative correlation means that whilst one is increasing, the other one is decreasing. When your R is 0, it means that there's no relationship between the two. Okay, any questions? Any questions so far? So we'll look at simple correlations. There could be positive relationships or negative relationships, but we understand how to compute X and Y. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8. We have 1, 4, 2, and 6. All right, so we're going to come up with a regression equation for these. And also we understand how to calculate the A, B, and C, A, B, and R. So firstly, we need to find our xy, our x squared, and our y squared. So xy here, we're going to have a 2, 16 here, 12, and 48. X squared, we're squaring the values of x here. So 2 times 2, that is 4, 16, 36, and 64. And y squared, what are we going to have? Square 1, then we're going to have 1, 16. What are we going to have in the last two here? We're squaring this y here. What are we having for the last two?
4 and 36.
4 and 36.
36.
Then we square these, we total up here. So this is what the summation of x, summation of y. Okay, so what is the summation of x? I hope you have calculators. Summation of y, summation of xy. You can use the calculator to input this data, and all these data points can all be solved. So what's the total here? 20.
X will be 20
Yeah,
to the
30.
13.
Yeah, 78.
To be
Yes,
78.
78.
Yeah, 120. Yeah, 57. And what is our n? I mean,
N
here
is
we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Right. Then we need to find the sum of square xx, which is simply given by summation of x squared minus summation of x to the power 2 over n. You find summation of y as well. I'll give you the formulas and give me the values imputing. I hope you have a calculator and somewhere to write. And summation. Everything is about y here. Over n. Find the summation of y, xy. So everything's about xy here. So summation of x y minus summation of x times summation of y over n. Okay. What are you finding here? Then I need you to find the log b. It's simply summation of xy over sum of square xx. We get the answer there. And what is our a? Summation of x y over n minus b summation of x over n. So everything is from the table. I've just given you the formulas that you need. Are you calculating?
That's it.
So these are the formulas. So I want you to give me all those right information.